Ever since Captain Ibrahim Traore assumed office in September 2022, he has prioritized addressing the widespread insecurity in Burkina Faso. His efforts include increased military operations against terrorist organizations, redeployment of forces to key locations, and a focus on intelligence coordination and collection. Traore has also engaged local communities through dialogue and development projects in order to address grievances, rebuild trust, and encourage cooperation in the fight against insurgency. To bolster Burkina Faso's security capabilities, Traore has actively sought international support by forging partnerships with regional forces and engaging in diplomatic efforts to address the root causes of instability. The country has recently received a shipment of advanced weapons under its new strategic equipment plan, signaling an improvement in its military capabilities. The weapons include Chinese-made WMA-301 fire support vehicles, enhancing Burkina Faso's ability to counter militant activity. President Traore's initiatives extend beyond military matters. He has launched programs to achieve food self-sufficiency, such as the Operation Agro-Pastoral Offensive and the Presidential Initiative for Food Self-Sufficiency. Additionally, Burkina Faso is constructing a national gold refinery, which is expected to create jobs and reduce the need for gold to be refined abroad. Despite Traore's efforts to address the country's challenges, there have been reports of an assassination attempt against him. Lieutenant Colonel Paul-Henri Ségo Demita is believed to be the mastermind behind the failed attempt. Burkina Faso has a history of political instability and power struggles, and Traore's leadership is viewed as precarious by some. However, many citizens trust Traore and his administration to effectively combat the jihadist menace. President Ibrahim Traore, the president of Burkina Faso, has prioritized addressing insecurity in the country since taking office. He has implemented various strategies, including increased military operations, redeployment of forces, and intelligence coordination. Traore has also engaged local communities through dialogue and development projects. Internationally, he has sought support and forged partnerships to tackle the root causes of instability. Burkina Faso has received new weapons, including Chinese-made vehicles, to enhance its military capabilities. Traore has also focused on achieving food self-sufficiency and is constructing a national gold refinery. However, there are concerns about political instability and power struggles. Despite challenges, Traore's leadership is trusted by many citizens, and the arrival of new weapons has reinforced confidence in his administration. The success of Traore's efforts to address insecurity remains to be seen. President Traore's commitment to addressing insecurity in Burkina Faso goes beyond military and developmental initiatives. He has also emphasized the need to tackle corruption within the government. In his broadcast speech on December 31, 2023, Traore announced his plan to launch the anti-corruption machine in the coming year. This initiative aims to combat corruption at all levels and ensure transparency in governance. Moreover, President Traore has recognized the importance of community involvement in promoting security and development. He has called on Burkinabe citizens to actively participate in the Presidential Initiative for Community Development. This initiative encourages community members to engage in urban and rural sanitation projects, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility in building a safer and more prosperous nation. In the face of a devastating health crisis, Traore's administration has also taken steps to address public health concerns. Burkina Faso, like many other countries, has been affected by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The government has implemented measures to mitigate the spread of the virus, including vaccination campaigns, public health awareness programs, and the provision of medical resources to healthcare facilities.